Hi, my name is Eric. I'm the startup manager with CR Air Conditioning. Today, we're going to show you how to use the Honeywell T6 Pro thermostat. This is your Honeywell T6 Pro thermostat. This is your home screen. Right now, this main center here, that is your temperature at the indoor in this room. On the top is your desired setting. Right above it, you have your time, and you have your options on the bottom, which is fan, menu, and your mode. To simply turn on for heating or cooling or emergency heat for heat pump options, press the mode. It will bring it to heat or cooling, and to change the temperature either up or down, simply press the buttons on the side, which is the plus or minus. And as you can raise it or lower it as you see is best for your comfort. Off on the side, you'll see that it says hold until 6 p.m. If you want to change that to a permanent hold, press it. It'll give you the options for permanent hold. Select, and now your temperature is set for 81 as a permanent hold. The only way to change that is to either physically change or lower the temperature desired. If you want to take that hold off, select, and it gives you the option to go back to hold until 6 p.m. After that 6 p.m. time arrives, what it will do, it will go back to the original set schedule. If you want to change your schedule or you want to just go straight to your run schedule, select, and it will go back to the previous set schedule. For heating, same thing. You will turn off the system and cycle through your settings and options until you have heat. Once the heat mode is selected, you can raise the temperature or lower for your desired setting. It will give you the hold until 6. Once that time has come, you will go back to your set schedule. For the fan, you will go to your fan option on the bottom, select, and it means fan on. It means the fan will turn on and it will run continuously until you come back and turn it off and set it to auto. On the auto setting, it will only run when there's a call for heating, a call for cooling. If you want to circulate air throughout your home, select it till it says circulate, and it will circulate about 35% of the time in an hour. It will run on and off to keep circulation throughout your home. Once you have completed that, you can also change it back to auto and go back to the original settings. If you want to go into deeper parts or more configurations in your thermostat, select the menu. It will bring you to your schedule. If you want to change or select a specific schedule for your home, select. It'll give you the options Monday through Friday for the morning, when you leave, when you come back home, before you go to bed. To change any of those settings, simply select. To change the temperature, select the temperature, plus or minus, hit select. It'll give you the cooling temperature, plus or minus, however you want to choose, and it will save it. You can do this also for Saturday and Sunday, morning, away, home, or you come back before you go to bed. Simply select the temperature, hit the plus or minus, select, it'll bring you to the cooling, plus or minus, select, and it will save the settings for you. Once all that has been completed, simply hit select, and it will save those settings for you. To go back to other options, simply hit the menu. It'll bring you to your schedule, the screen lock, your Wi-Fi. For the brightness, you can also select it. You can make it brighter or less bright. Hit done, it will save. Hit the arrow, it'll bring you to your recovery. The recovery is an option for this thermostat that if you select the temperature to be at 78 degrees at your home around 6 a.m., what it will do, the system will turn on prematurely to make sure that the desired temperature by the time you wake up is at 78. For your clock, simply hit select, and it will give you the option to set the time, the type of format, 12 hours or 24, and daylight savings time. You can either have it on or off. To make any of these changes, simply hit select, As you can tell by the time, it's flashing up on the top. You can change it by hitting the plus or minus to get the correct time. Hit done to save. Hit the arrow, it'll give you the clock format. Select, you can have it on 12 hours or 24 hours. For this option, we'll hit 12, we'll hit done, and we'll save it. For daylight savings time, simply select. You can have it on or off as you so choose. Once you have it decided, simply hit done, it will save. To exit, hit back, it'll bring you back to the main menu. For the Wi-Fi, brightness, and recovery, and clock. Now we'll go over to the date. Same system, select, adjust, or change your date by hitting the plus or minus. You'll select, it'll give you the day, plus or minus, and it'll also allow you to change the year. Once you have that correct, simply hit back, select, done. Once it's done, it will save. Let's go to the next one, the clean screen. This is an option where you can select, and it'll give you 30 seconds, and it'll count down from 30 seconds down to 1. Once that has occurred, it'll bring you automatically from here back to your main screen. The temperature scale, if you select it, it gives you the option of Fahrenheit or Celsius. Simply change it by pressing the arrows on the sides and then hitting done. It will save that setting. To reset, simply select reset, and what it will do, if you have made any adjustments and you're not sure how to change them back, it will reset everything back to the factory settings. The equipment status, what it does, if you select this, it tells you your system and whether it's running heating, cooling, or if it's an emergency heat. Device information, if you select this, it gives you all the information that corresponds to the specific thermostat that's in your home. That is all. Simply hit back, brings you back to the main screen. Thank you for watching, and for more video tutorials, please visit us at criconditioning.com.